My name's James Kislingway. I'm the Attraction Director of the London Bridge Experience and London Tombs. Well, several years ago, Dan approached us when we actually did one of the launch events for Phobia, our Halloween event. It's our big event every year. Thousands of people come down and get absolutely terrified by what we do down here. Dan came down, had a bit of a flavour for what we did, sort of presentation that I did, and very much approached me and said, hey, we want to do a film down here. And since then, there's been a number of discussions going on. We've had a few chats, and here we are now. The guys are on site at the moment filming the trailer for the event, well, for the show and the film, and it's all rather exciting.
The story behind it is, it started off with me and my business partner Dan Thompson invited to a press night here, and we thought it would be really cool if, while there was a press night going on, it's because the place is actually built on an old clay pit. And when they were refurbishing, apparently actually finding bits of bones. So we thought it would be really cool if somehow the spirits had been disturbed on the press night and actually started possessing the animatronics. And the animatronics then started killing the press. So the whole idea is that the film starts by they put in CCTV cameras. It's not found footage, don't worry. To record everyone's reactions. And as they're doing that, one of the workers cuts his hand, the blood hits the floor, sinks in, and these all horror films happen. They rise up, the dams rise up, possess animatronics and start massacring people left, right and centre. At the press night a few years ago, the Tombs have been nothing but supportive and helpful, help them develop the script, the characters, how we're going to shoot it, and yeah, they've been massively, massively helpful. So as soon as we get the money, that's it, we're in pre-production.
Welcome to Benelux Media, your TV and film production company. We produce TV programs such as Take 101 and Show for Africa. We produce such films as Forget the Pact and Phantom of Fury. Are you looking to produce documentaries, adverts, trailers, jingles, promos? Benelux Media will take care of your production line. Contact Benelux Media on 0207 998 0930. That's 0207 998 0930. Or we can be viewed on the website at www.beneluxmedia.com. You can email us at studio@beneluxmedia.com. And bear in mind, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube on Benelux Media.
Basically, what we're doing at the moment is we're trying to find. We're using, what's your name? Dan. We're using Dan as a stand-in. For Jeff at the time, they look quite similar. We're just using the red to come in, so we're trying to do a nice contrasty red and the blue, while keeping the rest of the room quite flat, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're just playing with colours and lighting, and we're going for quite a Rob Zombie feel.
bit of body paint.
Right.
Some of this stuff here, which is sponsored by Mefron.
Okay.
Neron. And then we're going to put some joints in with this Illustrator palette. And they use this shit right here.
Okay.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So yeah, so I'm going to basically build up the arms like she's a doll.
Right. I think that works. And how long have you been doing this kind of work, sir?
About 5 years.
Okay.
But I've never in my life worked in somewhere like this, in the London dungeons. So it's all very exciting to me, really. Yeah, have a little look. I took all this out.
So you've done many horror movies and stuff?
Yeah, I did a bit for Resident Evil, which is quite good. And I've done lots of short films.
You worked on Resident Evil?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, and I did some zombies for that.
Okay.
So that's good. And now I'm doing this little low budget Toons movie.
And action. Cut. Yeah? Yeah, I like that. Cool. Right, next shot.
Well, the thing is, I'm a out-of-place clown. You know, I'm not in the clown room. I'm in the church.
Right.
And the lady over there, she's thinking this is a bit weird. Why is there a clown out of the clown room?
Yeah.
As you can see. And yeah, and she starts trying to, investigate, poking me, trying to, get to know why. She walks off. I follow her, and then the inevitable happens.
Hi, my name's Sam Gardner. I am going to be Teddy Scares, and you are watching Take 101.
Come in. Thank you. Sorry to be a pain. Don't have to go back, Dave. It's more to the side.
Scene 6, 8 and 9, take 1, roll A.
Everyone happy? Action.
As you may already know, making a film's not rocket science. All it takes is courage and enthusiasm.